Hello.
What's going on, guys?
Hola. We back.
We are back and we are going to present to you a try to recreate the sound.
Yeah, like reenact the
Reenact
sound.
the sound. We have 5 items. We're gonna be obviously the items that make a sound, and we have to recreate the sound obviously with our mouths.
Yeah, so
as best as we can.
We got this idea from TikTok, of course. And yeah, I'm so excited because it was so funny. So do you want to go first or?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna reenact. So, okay, so let's walk them through our items first. So you can go first.
I've got my Fenty lip gloss. I've got a candle. I've got a cap for my ginger. I've got a little packet of sugar, and I've got my water bottle.
Okay, so I've got some tongs. I've got a little lighter. I've got some cards. I've got a sweet wrapper, and I've got a little jar of chili powder.
I'm actually going to really try my best.
I know, me too. I'm actually really going to try.
Like I'm not going to just try and make, like I really want to try and nail the sound.
I know.
Alright, so
okay,
let's start. Ready?
Right, first item is the sugar packet.
We're going to do a...
Okay, let me close my eyes.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to hear it again?
Yeah. I just feel like I'm gonna pull the ugliest face.
Well, no, the faces can't be included because we have to do what we have to do.
Okay, one more time. Sorry, one more time.
Right.
That was actually good.
Right.
I hope you guys could hear that.
Good for you. That was actually really good. It was your face. The concentration in your face was A1.
I closed my eyes. Okay, right. Let's go for the tongs. So, one more time.
Again. I think I did it.
Okay. Yeah, that was good. Pass.
Alright.
Good attempt.
Right, let's do this.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
So it's a...
One with the sound.
Oh my god,
this is hilarious.
I'm sorry if this is really loud, guys. Maybe I should put the mic back a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna do my chili little jar. So I want to do
again.
I'll give you that. That was really good.
All right.
Right. What's up next?
I feel like I have two of the same sounds, but we're gonna do this one.
Oh, that's so hard.
I can't lie, so it was that one.
Okay. Go. One more time. One more time.
I'm enjoying the process that you get. So, okay, go ahead.
One more time with my eyes closed. One more time with my eyes closed. Oh, so shit.
It's so hard to make that sound.
I know. Okay. I'm gonna go for a sweet wrapper next. So.
It's like a demon. Like a demon.
Oh my god, it's the faces that kills me.
Because you have to, you can't do this looking cute.
Yeah, literally.
And you're not doing it.
Okay, you.
Okay.
This is the lip gloss.
You did it.
Oh, that was a good
that.
one. Okay, right, the lighter. This doesn't actually work, does it?
I think it does.
Okay, so. Oh, it does work.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. I don't know why that face needs to be so intense in the beginning.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is
Right.
the last one.
Oh, candle, okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, okay. One more time.
Oh, it smells so good.
One more time.
That was so fucking good. That was so good. That was actually.
Was it?
That was so
Fucking
good.
That was literally
That was
ugly.
so good though.
Idiots.
You know what? This isn't about being cute. This is about doing the job
Okay.
and getting the sounds done.
Right. The last ones are some cards.
Okay.
One more time, I don't think that was loud enough.
how else to do it.
Oh my god.
I don't know how else to do it.
That is hilarious.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That was actually
so much
harder
fun.
than I thought it was going to be.
I think have I ripped my fucking ear?
No, best friend, no.
That was so much pain. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
No.
That really, really hurt. But yeah, that was actually really fun.
That was actually really fun.
Yeah.
I was like...
What was your favourite of mine?
This was easy, I feel.
Yeah.
That was hard. I think that was, I don't know, this was my favourite.
Mm.
The one that you did, candle.
The candle.
The candle was my fave. You really put everything into that.
Yeah, I got into character.
It was
I
wonderful. It's definitely one of those ones that like, you think, oh, it's calm, so I can make that noise.
Yeah, it looks easy, but it's actually so hard. Honestly, if you haven't tried this, please try it at home because it is hilarious. Could you imagine us doing this drunk as well? I mean, we're a little waved from the wine, but
I wouldn't care to get it right as much. Like I feel like right now I'm like, no, I wanna really try and be the sound.
I know, be one with the sound.
Yeah, but if any more waved, I'd be like, fuck it.
Yeah.
It would be like, what sound was that? That wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah, that was so much fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. Right, we're gonna wrap this up. Sorry, it's a short one, but short and sweet. So we will catch you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.